Hello everyone, thank you for joining this e-learning module. It's a pleasure to welcome you all to this special module curated for all the students and aspiring job seekers by VERT English and Placement Academy. A place where you can turn your aspirations into reality and transform yourselves. We are committed to improve your speaking ability, fluency and confidence to make you globally competent, because that's the goal, right? In order to get a proper job. A platform which exactly helps you to monetize your skills and get the highest paying jobs available in the country and abroad. My name is Writka and I'm a language specialist, a communication coach and also a psycholinguist. I have trained more than 50,000 students and working professionals in personality development, communication strategies and business English in my 7 years of career in this industry. I help students advance their career by developing their personality and eventually make them employable. By the end of this module, you will have multiple skills and keys to unlock your potential in speaking ability and achieve all your dreams.